Okay, I couldn't sleep last night, but it's just before midday. I've woken up, packed all my stuff. I'm just getting ready to go check out. I'm going to see if I can leave my bags downstairs, go to a coffee shop or something, because I don't need to be rushing there early. I need to find something to eat. Leave here and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so I chilled, got a croissant, banana bread and a Coke. Then I got my taxi to the bus station. I just dropped my bags off. They're just watching over them, and I'm going to try find somewhere to sit. There's no ATMs or anything, so I can't spend too much, because I've got to pay the other. I can pay by card the other side of the accommodation, but still. Just trying to find a coffee place that actually serves milk tea or something. I'm not gonna lie, the sky does not look good again. Yesterday I tipped it down for hours. I'm probably gonna grab something to drink or something and then head back, because it's not looking good. Everyone's super friendly here, and I just heard thunder. Oh fuck. Really hope it doesn't ruin my bus journey. Got me some milk tea. Now I'm just gonna wait a while for my bus. You can see the clouds behind me. The tea is nice, but the bubbles are not. See if I can not have them. I'm now hiding out in the bus station because it's just started to tip it down. This one's a bit more comfy. Got a lot more leg space, but I am on the bottom for once. Okay, I arrived. There's a fan, there's aircon, and they gave me a nice cold water when I got here. And it says second floor, it says 202, but it's not, it's like 4. I guess they're smaller flights of stairs, but still. But I'm here an hour earlier than expected, so I'm meant to be at my hostel just after 11, and it's just after 10. I got my own bathroom and stuff. It's like £10 for 2 nights, so it's not bad at all. Just nice to have your own space. So I'm going to settle a little bit, and then I need to go find some food or a supermarket or something that's open. Oh, but this is so nice right now. Oh, I forgot to say those stairs. He carried both my bags, both of them, all the way up. But yeah, after it was meant to be a 3-minute walk or something, but they dropped us off at an earlier stop, like a few minutes walk earlier, so it's not bad. So I had to walk 8 minutes, and I'm sweating. I'm gonna put my hair back up because I was really cold on the bus, so I left my hair down to give me a bit of neck warmth, but now I'm sweating, so time to put it up. I thought maybe best I'd video this. Of course there's the highlights and then the negatives of travel. That does not look connected. Oh! Oh yes, as I see, not connected. At least there's a drain in the room, but well, if I leave it steady flowing, it doesn't do too much, but if I... Brilliant. Can't wait to write my review. So, good morning, well afternoon. Really couldn't sleep last night. I think it's because I slept on the coach, but now it's midday. And I woke up and I forgot I had trash in my bag, and there's ants everywhere. So now I'm trying to divert them. I've moved the trash, but I don't know if you can see them. Probably not. But yeah, so I'm trying to divert them so when I come back, oh, you can see I'm on the bag now. So when I come back, they're out of my bag. There's no other food in my bag. It's just that, so I'm hoping I can be like, get out of my stuff, and then I'll just throw that in the bin. But right now it's annoying because like I don't know where they came from. So I really don't know when they're gonna get out of my bag, and I can't really I could empty and shake my bag, which I'm gonna do when I get back if they're not out. Ants are okay, they're not bad things, but like they're just, it just bothers me. I'm gonna go out to the shop, buy some stuff, and I've got to come back and edit, and then if I've got time I'm gonna walk down to the beach and hopefully go in the sea for sunset. But I really need to rush because I need to edit this video and upload it and everything, and I don't know how the Wi-Fi is going to be here. Wish me luck. Also the stairs all the way down I've got to do. So I'm not going to take you to the shop because I've got to carry shit back.
Hello, it is evening now. I did go out to the shops. I didn't buy anything from the shops because there was nothing I wanted. They're a bit, I don't know, it was a bit weird. There was no crisps I wanted or any snacks I wanted. And if I did want them, I was a bit like, meh. So I didn't get anything from the shops. But I did go get food. It was a bit of a weird thing. I went to order pizza because there was a Jollibee. I was so tempted to get a Jollibee again, but I didn't. There was a Pizza Hut and I was like, I've been craving pizza. It won't be that bad. And I went and I showed the guy what I wanted, and then I showed a drink, and then he made me just pay for my drink. So I was like, okay. So I sat down, got a drink over, and then I waited like 10-15 more minutes, and I was like, somebody else came and collected it, and then all of the, like, you can see all of the orders hanging up and there was none there, and I was like, okay. And so I looked at somebody and and then they came over, and then finally I was able to order what I wanted, which is just a plain cheese pizza, which was deep dish. And it was 128,000, which is about £4, which to be honest is really good for Pizza Hut. Like, it was not bad. And it was, to be honest, it pulled me up. I could have saved some, but I was just like sitting there, like slowly eating it. And they brought it out in like a hot dish, kind of like, you know, like in America they have like Chicago deep dish. Like, it came out in like a hot, that was like still continuing to cook it slightly. And the cheese on it, mozzarella, was so stringy, and it was actually so good. I really needed that. The peach tea went down a treat too. And then I left there, went to the other shop, and was like, and so I went back, and then I started editing. I already thought it was running late. Then I had issues with the internet, and so now that one's just been posted. I literally got it all, description wrote and everything, 20 minutes before 7 o'clock, and it went up at just like 10, 15, 20 minutes ago. I already watched it through again, and messaged some people, put it on Instagram and stuff. So now I'm gonna go out. I want Vietnamese food, but I also don't. Like, I've still got 2.5 weeks, so it's not a problem for me like taking time out. And also, like, there's none like that are amazingly rated that I want to go to, but there's 2 Japanese restaurants. I know I had ramen 2 nights ago, but I'm thinking I want some like tempura prawn sushi or something, because I don't really like raw fish. But if I can have something like that, maybe that'd be nice. So I'm gonna go have a look at the menu on one of them, and if I don't like it, I'll have a look at the other one. If not, I'll just find something on the side of the road. But I'll take you with me. We'll see how it goes. It's always easy when there's only one of me, because I don't take up much space. And sometimes on the Japanese restaurants they have places where you can sit by yourself, like it did in the other place I went to. So it should be fine. Worst case, meh, I'll find something. I'm nearly catching up with where I am. Instead of a month behind, I'm about 3 weeks behind on content now, so that's not too bad. Of course, when I'm caught up, that's going to be an issue, because I'm going to have to be like, oh, do I have any content? Sorry, I do not. But we'll find that out in the future. I've got at least a few more weeks of videos, and I'll keep it coming for you as long as I'm travelling. But I'm probably going to be travelling now till, I'd say, end of June. But it could all change depending, but money situation right now, unless I have a big influx, which is not going to happen, I'm probably going to be going home then. But I'll keep you updated if anything changes. Not gonna lie, it's super windy. I don't think it's a good idea to be wearing a dress, but I need to wash clothes. I'm so happy. This weird ass chicken thing. Yeah, so that Japanese was not my favourite. It's not the best, but not the worst. I ordered some karaage chicken as well, which was a bad decision, because I didn't end up finishing it. I decided to take it, and then I just gave it to a dog. If it's chicken, so. So I am at the train station now. Woke up early, got ready, came around, and then got here, chilled for a bit, and then was like, oh, I'll get a lemon soda. And I went to put it down so I can move some stuff in my bag, and I dropped it. I managed to save half of it, but still, fuck's me. Oh, it doesn't even taste good anyway, so I'm saving it for. So yesterday I got on the train and I literally fell asleep, even though the guy in front of me had his chair all the way back on me. Fell asleep, chilled, relaxed, got off the other end, realised the bus that I wanted to get to Hanoi from Da Nang didn't exist. So me and 2 other guys managed to share a grab and get to Hanoi, which is great. I checked in and I just went down for a drink and some food, ended up playing the quiz, lost terribly.
Ended up seeing Erin, who I was staying with in Koh Lanta, which is random, literally in a different country, in different city, and just in the same hostel. So yeah, we ended up playing the quiz together. Then I went to bed. Oh, and I also booked a thing for this morning. I'm gonna go do a cooking class and a basket boat, which I'm a bit like, cooking class, eh. It was like 13 quid for both, and I was like, fuck it, I'll go do a cooking class, it will feed me, be all good. And I gave a chance to record one, so I need to pick up my stand. I haven't picked that up. Thank God I remembered now. And I leave in about 15 minutes. I'll take you with me. I'm at the food market and I just can't deal with the smell. Oh my god. So this looks better. Oh god.
Great.
Oh my god.
Không, bỏ cho cái nhỏ mà.
Oh, there we go. There you go.
Wow.
Perfect.
Look at us. Oh!
Okay, sit up, please,
Sit up.
Middle?
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Need balance. Hey. Cho your info. Send your
Chứ
keys.
chị ba cũng xuống đó mà cứ từ từ thỏa đấy chứ về đây. Hãy xuống rồi có quay.
How's the bridge? It's like, oh look at us, it's like we're back in the day, and then it's like a nice big bridge.
Exactly.
Look at everybody. Oh! That's a talent, that is. Look at him go. Just goes back.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, a little bit. Oh, it's a little crab.
No way.
Oh, look at him.
I can't even see. So sad. Oh my god, I see it. A little crab. A little crab. Wow. There's a spider right here. Oh, he's biting you. No.
Dude, that's not the food. Oh.
No, we start cooking
Terrible students.
Yeah, I don't remember shit.
a salad. Salad. Yes. You look cheap. Oh, coffee. You can tell me where your number one. Where your number two. Where your number three. Where's sunflower?
Why don't we put the rice?
And then next, with the oil, when you
Half teaspoon? Ooh.
I think so, yeah. We can measure
half and half. And inside I prepare for you the fried label. Outside this is the plastic. And when you see the oil hot ready, you put your shrimp.
Oh, look how organised that is. It's all nice. I went everywhere, but you went right in a nice straight line. Mine don't look too bad.
No, those are great.
That is like the worst like flour. Oh, look at all the oil, but we plated yours a bit too soon. That's the
You
problem.
think so?
Sneaking up on everybody's. What the hell's this thing?
Yeah, I was wondering that myself. I didn't know if it was like a muscle thing, something inside it.
Yeah, but they put nuts in it. I hate nuts.
So I?
You don't remember making it?
Ready? I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Hey! I don't think I caught that, but that was funny. Oh, look at this! All the oil went.
Oh, yeah. Ooh. Burn?
Oh, the oil went everywhere, but it's fine. It didn't. It hit me like a little bit. Not that bad.
I can't believe it. Then you really be using that insurance.
Yeah. Look at this oil that I've got on my handle.
Oh, that's nice.
Lovely handle.
So the pan getting hot and turn off the fire. And now you put your and now you bring your
Not too bad.
You bring your you add the oil in the pan here, and then you wait for the oil. It's very hot, super hot, and then you put the normal water in the fire. Yeah. And now you see the oil is hot already. I put the water in. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Water coming. One more. And some people who want to try.
You want to try it? I'll try.
Yeah, go.
I'll try. So you can hold this.
You want to put the water in? A little bit? Yeah. Yeah, a little bit. Put inside. Then Maybe I try another pen. Oil inside. Because you know the wind is strong.
I think everybody needs to move.
I saw for you again one more time.
It might come in your face. Okay. The camera will survive it, maybe not you.
1, 2, 3. Ready? Then put the water coming. Crazy. You can take it on the fire for the fire longer. Okay, you want to try? You come this way. Try again.
That was very hot. Thank you so much.
All of this stuff in?
Wait, but what about the greens? I thought we put the greens in it. I'm so confused.
Yeah, you can put that.
I don't want the greens either, but omelette and rice. I'm really not sure on rice paper though.
That reminds me of that like edible paper you get when you're younger. I don't know if it's like a thing, but it's like colourful. Every activity paper.
Sugar money.
I have literally no idea. I just always say it shapes.
Yeah, it's like sugar money, but sugar paper money.
Yeah.
I don't know how to rate it.
Alright. This is like 3 courses.
Still got another one? No, we haven't. No.
I think there's like fruit or something for dessert. That could be really bad.
So back from the cooking and the coconut trip. Sorry, I'm tired. I need to get out of me. So the food, we cooked like papaya salad, some spring rolls kind of, but in like this rice noodle paper, weird. Just some boiled cooked fish. And then this pancake just made with just like rice flour and water with pork in it. And put some veg and some rice paper around it. It was really weird. But yeah, it was pretty cool. I didn't eat everything, it was a lot. They gave us a lot. But yeah, I'm back now, it's 12:30. I'm gonna relax for a second, sit outside, and then get changed and go down to the pool. But I haven't got any new clothes washed until 5 o'clock. So I need to kind of chill around the pool for that long until I get my new clothes, and then I can shower. And then I need to book what I'm doing tomorrow and where I'm going to on Sunday. Either I'm going to go to the duck stop in Dong Hoi, or I'm going to go straight to Ninh Bình. I will decide. I'll let you guys know. Been in the pool, just going to go grab some food now. I booked everything now, so I've got a free day tomorrow. Then Sunday I'm leaving to Phong Nha to go to the duck stop. I know it sounds crazy to go out of my way to go there, but it just seems so fun. I just can't wait to get a video of it. And then from there I'll go to Ninh Bình, and then I haven't booked onwards from that, but I've just got 2 nights there. So one night when I'm doing the duck stop, 2 nights there, and then I'm gonna go to Cat Ba, Halong Bay, and then spend the rest of my days in Hanoi before I go. Maybe go up to Sapa for a day, but I haven't got much time. I thought I left on the 8th, but my flight's on the 9th, so it's good I checked, you know, but I was gonna check anyway. But yeah, countdown to Japan now.